Examiners are really thick. As a science teacher, I often see students making these simple and very easy to correct mistakes. First mistake, 1 markers. Students are likely to only put 1-word answers, and these 1 markers are really quite difficult to get. That you need to put in the correct detail, all of it, to get that 1 mark. You also need to be specific with your answer. Don't just put a 1-word answer and think that the examiner, they'll know what I'm talking about. You have to think that the examiner is really thick and doesn't get what you mean, so you have to put that extra detail. Think about your English, think about all the words that will best help to explain how something maybe has increased or increasing more than the other one. These are the key aspects that will get you those extra marks that could be the difference between a grade. Okay, so always take care in how you answer. Think, right, my examiner knows absolutely nothing. I have to explain this in the most primitive way, very detailed, so that they know exactly what I am referring to. Second most common mistake, reading the questions. Always go back over, reread the questions, reread your answers. Again, many of my students turn up with their past papers and we go through a mark and I'm just like, I have no idea what you're talking about here. They look at it and they don't know either. It is so important to go back over and reread and reread your answer. Again, the examiner is not going to, they're not psychic. They don't know how to mark your work if they don't even understand the question. So take that time. It is necessary and again will help boost grades if you go back, can't understand it and rewrite it. It's all positive ways to gain extra marks. The third bugbear is the maths side of things. When it comes to maths questions, specifically physics comes straight to mind, show your working out, okay? For example, if it's a 3 marker, okay, and you've put nothing but the answer and the answer is wrong, you will get 0 marks. If you put your equation, substitute, and then calculations, rearrangements, all that sort of thing in that space provided, but you still get the wrong mark, you will still gain 1 or 2 marks depending if it's correct or not. It is worth doing the working out and showing it because you could miss out on potentially 3 marks, and that could potentially be the difference between a grade as well. So consider everything I have just shared with you, the 3 things. So 1, think that the examiner is really thick. 2, be detailed in your answers. Do not put 1-word answers, when you have to really be detailed. Think about your maths and please read the question carefully. Read your answers carefully as well. Okay? These 3 things could be the difference between a grade. I keep repeating myself, but they could be. There isn't much between grades, okay? So those few extra marks could help boost. I'm going to do probably another one maybe on 6 markers because 6 markers is for GCSE science. Lots of students struggle and there are different techniques for different styles of 6 markers. So if you want to hear about 6 markers and how to tackle them and strategies for them, message me, comment, and I will do some little videos on that as well, because 6 markers, again, 6 marks is a lot and could be the difference between a grade. Okay, so again, it's well worth tackling those 6 markers because you could gain some marks even if you're not sure exactly what the answer is. Don't just look at the question and go, oh, give up. Right, I'm going to probably do, if we get enough votes and enough comments, I will do some videos on 6 markers for GCSE science, okay? Keep following, okay? And comment if you want any help with any other GCSE science. I will see you soon with many more top tips, okay? See you later, bye.